Welcome to another episode here on A New Life in France. Today we are in the Dordogne. We're in the North Dordogne, a very popular area. Behind me we have a gite complex. We have 5 gites and the owner's accommodation as well at the end. This is all set in 2 hectares of land, gorgeous gardens, and it is so peaceful here. And for the money, it's just over 600,000 euros. It is worth every single penny. Let's go and have a look at each of the gites. Let's give you a whiz through and then the owner's accommodation, and then let's enjoy this lovely, peaceful outside area. At the 5 gites, let's quickly run you through. So we've got gite 1, lovely open plan downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs, the same in the second gite, also the third gite as well. And then when we come on to the 4th and the 5th, bit more room in both of those as well. And then when we come to the 5th one, then you've actually got the luxury of a 3rd bedroom. So when you look at this as a whole from a family perspective, what a lovely place to come. When you look at that from the accommodation that you have as the owners, lovely accommodation, open plan downstairs, lovely kitchen, dining, sitting area. You've got your own private garden area as well. You go upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. It's really nicely finished. So if you're here and you're living here and you're running it as a business, it is all there. It's very well self-contained as well in terms of that. And it's so peaceful. to a play area, trampoline, etc. You've got big grass area, you've got the pool over here. There's lots of places you could sit outside here. There's so much for this that I think it's definitely on your checklist if you're looking to run a business here in France in a popular area where you can get really good occupancy. Then this is a serious contender to look at. You can get into France, you can get set up. You're setting up in a business that's already running. You've got great facilities in terms of the accommodation, in terms of the owner's side, and each of these gites is finished really, really well from a durable point of view as well. I think it's got so much going for it. So enjoy that tour. Let's just finally wrap up. Just enjoy some more of the images of this particular property to take you through, and remember, it is a business opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's program and you haven't subscribed yet, press that subscribe button. Subscribe to A New Life in France here on YouTube. Also go to our website, anewlifeinfrance.com, where you can find out lots and lots of more information. We've got blogs all of the time as well. But remember, this channel is operating for you if you are looking to move to France or you are already living in France. See you next time.